Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between GDP and GNP. Gross Domestic Product or GDP is the value of everything that is produced within the country's domestic territory in a particular financial year. On the other hand, Gross National Product or GNP is the total market value of everything, that is, goods and services produced by the residents of the country during a particular accounting year. So, let's look into the basic differences between GDP and GNP in a tabular form. Difference number 1. The monetary value of all the goods and services produced within the geographical limits of the country is known as GDP, whereas GNP is the money value of all the goods and services made by the citizens of the country, no matter where they live. Number 2. GDP gauges production of products within the country's boundary. Conversely, GNP measures the production of products by the companies and industries owned by the residents of the country. Number 3. The basis for calculating the GDP is the location, whereas GNP is based on citizenship. Number 4. Formula for GDP calculation is GDP equals to consumption plus investment plus government spending plus net export, whereas GNP equals to GDP plus net factor income received from abroad. Number 5. In the case of GDP, the measurement of productivity is done on a local scale, while if we talk about GNP, it measures the productivity on an international level. Number 6. GDP focuses on measuring domestic production, but GNP focuses on production by the nationals, that is, individuals or corporations, of the country. And difference number 7. GDP outlines the strength of the domestic economy of a country. On the other hand, GNP outlines how the residents are contributing towards the economy of the country.